I have always wanted to be an author, and I am excited to say that I finally made that dream come true by recently publishing Overarching Principles. Writing a book was a long-term goal of mine, but I also wanted to do it the right way. So I not only took the time to pick the right subject to write about, but it took me about 4 years to complete this project. When I decided to write a book, I wanted to do it for a couple of reasons. I not only wanted to document my professional success and my personal growth, but I also wanted to leave a legacy for my children and inspire others to go after their dreams. So I tried creating something which I would be proud of. And because of that determination, I made some important discoveries about myself as I was trying to convey the life lessons which turned my professional journey into a success story. And that is exactly what Overarching Principles is designed to do. It takes readers on a journey of self-discovery which enables them to reach their full potential. Overarching Principles isn't just any career guide. It's a journey through my own experiences, from starting as a factory worker to becoming a finance leader in global enterprises. In this book, I share my journey filled with ups and downs and how I used my experiences to forge a successful career path. The Starburst paradigm, the Self-Act, and the Code framework are just a few examples of the ideas I developed in this book to navigate the complexities of corporate life. This book is all about understanding and applying 4 key principles: efficiency, professionalism, leadership, and equity. But it's not just about what these principles represent. It's about how you can practically apply them in your everyday professional life. This book is relatable in the sense that it draws its lessons from real life scenarios, which makes it accessible for anyone, whether you are just starting your career or experienced in your field. Each chapter is filled with practical insights. You will learn how to diversify your skills, build a strong professional reputation, and become a leader who inspires and influences others. Whether you are dealing with a career setback, looking to climb the corporate ladder, or just wanting to reinvent your professional self, Overarching Principles has something for you. Every chapter in this book helps you reflect on your values and how they can shape your career. So if you are feeling stuck in your career, or if you are just looking for that next big push, Overarching Principles is the perfect book for you. This book discusses the fundamental guidelines or beliefs that guide your actions and decision making throughout your career. These include ethical values and personal beliefs about what is important in life and work. Overarching Principles offers a strategic approach to building a career. Instead of simply letting your career happen by chance, you are actively shaping it. You are making intentional plans and choices to achieve your career goals. This book also demonstrates how to align your career decisions with your core values and beliefs. Your career should reflect what truly matters to you, and this alignment can lead to greater job satisfaction and personal fulfillment. In practice, Overarching Principles is about forging a professional brand, setting clear goals, making pivotal career choices, and navigating challenges. It also involves thinking about the long-term impact of your decisions on your overall well-being and satisfaction in life. So far, I have had excellent feedback from people who read the book, and if you have not yet had a chance to read it, I highly recommend picking up a copy today on Amazon.com. I will add a link to the book in the description below. And if you've already read it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.